In this video, I will show you step by step how we can improve image quality just by using AI for free. Okay, let's get started. So what you need to do first, we will use just Canva, okay, because it's really super powerful and easy and friendly. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do, and of course it's for free, you can use it for free. Click over here on upload, okay, and click on choose file, and you need to upload the picture that you want to improve the quality for. Okay, so this is my picture. This it's really in bad quality, as you can see. Click on open and you will be directly in this page. Click on use in new design and you can choose custom size, or you can choose Facebook post size, Instagram post size. Scroll down, you have Instagram story size. You can choose any size you want. So for me, I'm gonna choose Facebook post. Just click on Facebook post and you will be directly in this page over here, and your picture will be uploaded to Canva like this. Okay, you can see this picture, it's really in bad quality. Okay, what you need to do next, click on add page, okay, and go over here. You should see design, elements, text. Scroll down here, go to apps, okay, click on apps and click on the search and search for enhancer. Okay, search for enhancer. Click on this first one, okay, this first app like this, okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. Okay, so let me show you like this. Click over here on choose file and upload again the picture that you want to improve the quality for. This is my picture. I will click on open. Your picture will be here. Select this one here like this and click over here on enhance image, and you just need to wait a few seconds and your picture will be in a good and great quality. Okay, so I will get back to you guys when this will be finished to show you the final result. And here you go, my picture is enhanced. I will click over here on add to design like this. I will click on these 3 points and I will click on set image as background. I will double click to show you like this, and here you go. You see, it's really now in a good quality. So you see this over here, let me show you. This is a really bad quality. The first one was, let me show you. If we click over here, you see this, there is a big difference. Okay, you can see that this one looks really bad. If we scroll down, this one looks really in a good quality. Okay, you can see the quality has changed. Okay, after you finish, I'm gonna delete this first one, it's bad. And if you want to download this picture, click on share, scroll down, click on download and click again on download, and this picture will be download to your laptop. That's how we can improve quality for your pictures using AI and Canva. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.